figures with three types of cycling. Like what makes trees remain? And I wonder if you have any comments for us. And they always have me command. Well, I do. So when I went to this underneath the doctor, but not in the state. When I went to the doctor, I came to see the that I almost knew but one of the things only right? So this is the second one, okay? Um, I was in the medical. Well, I didn't know if I did. I had to pass through, but I don't know when medical. Now, we were just stated that they were. It's okay. This one is the person. So this is the one that I had. And if you wonder, if I had a diet, I did. This is the second one, but I haven't actually done. This is kind of rare. I don't know if it's first area. So, okay, I have 5 types. And it's very, I very rare. Also, I think it's very exciting. I don't know if that makes sense. She has been too crazy and she bought the personal card for her own daughter. Also, yeah, she's really so, what I have found, I have the title. It's a, you know, every title, it's a little, I have one that doesn't have like right here. Now, this one is weird. The perfect defense ever. So, I just keep doing it. I kind of picture. So, when I ready, so when you change the thing, so when you go, you see that, so when I look because this I like here. So, this is like, yeah, so I'm not sure around my room. I'll show you the house. Like, my room, kind of, you know what it is? Like, you have like a thermal. You can go like when you blow your nose, and you get like a thermal. Yeah. So you know the stuff that you those kind of better. So I think around my room, this is the first, so the by the way, my room is kind of uh, that's my bed, my nice window, and I have this. Well, everyone is about an island. I am an island. So right here, I have the world bountiest star. And yeah, this is fun. Kind of island hat. So it's alright, you know. Okay. And yeah, the one thing is real quick is there. Yep, they're there. And yeah, well, yeah. So, while I'm doing that, so end this video and see